Smart glasses are getting smarter, and while the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are a top choice for content creators, there's a fresh contender in town, the Solos AirGo Vision Smartglasses, or AirGo V. Starting at the same $299 price point, these glasses bring unique features to the table, including modular design and advanced AI integration. But how do they stack up? Let's find out. The AirGo Vision skips video recording entirely. Instead, it focuses on AI-powered functionality. It supports multiple AI frameworks, including OpenAI's GPT-4o, Google Gemini, and Anthropic's Claude, letting you interact with AI in various ways, from answering questions to translating languages. However, accessing features such as enhanced text-to-speech services, Solos Chat in-app standalone mode services, extended ChatGPT history, and Solos Chat watermark-free requires subscribing to Premium Plan, which costs $10. On the other hand, the Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are tailored for content creators. They pack a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera capable of recording up to 3-minute videos, perfect for quick, first-person social media uploads. However, this focus on multimedia comes with compromises, like a shorter battery life of around 4 to 6 hours. Where the AirGo Vision stands out is its modular design. You can swap between a standard frame or a version with a built-in camera, though the camera here is only for taking still photos, not videos. This flexibility allows users to customize the glasses to their needs. Style-wise, you can choose between two frame designs, the larger, square Krypton one or the sleeker Krypton 2. Performance-wise, the AirGo Vision offers impressive 10 to 16-hour battery life, integrated speakers, touch controls, and USB-C charging, all packed into a lightweight 42-gram frame. That's lighter than Meta's 51-gram Ray-Ban glasses, making it ideal for all-day wear. So here's the deal. The Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses are perfect for creators who want video recording and quick sharing capabilities. The AirGo Vision, meanwhile, is geared toward tech enthusiasts who value advanced AI features and flexibility over content creation. Both represent exciting advancements in wearable tech, but which one fits your needs? Let us know in the comments and hit subscribe for more updates on the latest gadgets. Peace out.